My name is Charlotte. I am 34 years old. I live in Chicago. I work in finance. Last Friday was normal. My husband kissed me. He said, "Game night, football with the guys." I trusted him then. He left very happy. I waved from the door. I felt no worry. The house became quiet. I made strong coffee. I thought of my day. Everything in order. The afternoon was calm. I read a good book. Time passed slowly. No reason to look. I cooked some dinner. Something very tasty. Waiting for Tom to come back from his big game. Night came. It was cold. The street lights came on. Soon he would be here. No moon, just gone. I sat on the sofa, turned on the TV, just relaxing a bit before I would see. My phone then rang. A friend called me then. "See this video," she said. Something new again. In that calm moment, my life would soon change. I didn't imagine things would rearrange. I was curious then. The message was from Liz. I clicked the link quickly. It made a soft fizz. A video started playing. Loud, lively music began. I saw thousands of people. It was a big show, planned. I knew the band well. It was Coldplay's sound. A strange feeling came. On the screen, I looked around. The camera was moving through the happy crowd. It focused on faces like a magical cloud. I smiled softly to myself. I liked the song too. I thought of Tom and me. Another concert, so new. The music played on. People sang very loud. The energy there, lost in the crowd. Then suddenly, it stopped. On a couple right there, on the big video screen. My heart froze in the air. The camera showed them well. Close, very clear to see. I saw his face there. I could not flee. It was Tom, my husband, next to another, at the Coldplay show. One scene, then another. My heart beat so fast. A cold feeling came. It felt hard to breathe. What a big lie. What shame. He said, "Football game." He was there, smiling bright, with a strange woman. My world turned to night. The music played on, but I heard no sound, only saw the image, my life on the ground. They were on the big screen, clear for all eyes, an open betrayal, no way to disguise. The woman was close, laughing with Tom, a small, quick kiss. I felt the strong wrong. It was the kiss cam, the camera for love. They looked like a couple, a dark truth from above. The video kept playing. The pain grew so deep. I was in pure shock. My soul wanted to weep. I was shaking a lot. Tears filled my eyes. That cruel image, breaking my skies. The camera showed them, close, very clear. I saw his face there, my deepest, biggest fear. It was Tom, my husband. No doubt it was he. The man I loved. In a bad dream, you see. He was smiling there, with another woman, at a crowded concert. Too much to understand then. It was not a friend, not a workmate at all. It was a stranger, breaking my fall. The lie was so big. The pain was so deep. He said, "Football game," a secret to keep. I felt everything. Anger, sadness, too. How could he do this? So unfair, so untrue. The bright lights flashed. The music played loud. But in my mind, his face in the crowd. The shock was so strong. I could not breathe well. My body grew cold under this cruel spell. My husband and another, for everyone to see, a viral video ending my destiny. The kiss cam stayed on them without moving away. They saw the bright light. Their faces turned gray. The woman turned her face. She tried hard to hide. She turned her back quickly, with nowhere to ride. Tom moved very fast. He bent down low. He tried to get out. But the big screen did show their faces, the shock, the panic in their eyes. They were clearly caught under the clear skies. The video did not stop. It kept recording their show. Their reaction was clear. Impossible to say no. The scene lasted seconds, but felt like forever. The proof of the lie. A painful endeavor. I saw everything then, each small, painful part. The betrayal exposed, breaking my heart. The screen was so huge, thousands saw it too. The secret was out, with no way to undo. The video went viral, fast on the internet. My whole life then, caught in a big net. My whole world then, it broke down right then. The video, the truth, again and again. My phone just fell down from my weak, trembling hand on the floor with no sound. My life like sinking sand. Hot tears streamed down on my pale, shocked face. A deep, sharp pain in that sad, quiet space. It couldn't be true. A nightmare so bad. Tom, my dear husband, making me feel sad. The house felt so empty. The air grew so heavy. Each breath was so hard. A burden too weighty. I felt so betrayed, so deeply shamed. Our trust was all broken. My heart greatly maimed. Memories came back of a love we once knew. Now, only ashes. Everything was through. My body was shaking. The shock was so strong. How could I face this? Where did I go wrong? Our future was planned. It vanished in air. Our life as a couple, beyond all repair. I just cried and cried. No voice, no big sound. Lost in my sorrow, with nothing around. Hours passed slowly. I waited for Tom. Each minute felt heavy, a terrible, sad song. I wiped my wet face. I dried all my tears. I needed to be strong, to face all my fears. The sound of a key turned. In the front door, I heard. Tom had finally come home. No loving word. He walked into the house with a small, light smile. The game was great, he said for a while. I stood there then, still in the living room space, my phone in my hand, showing his true face. He saw my cell phone. He noticed my hard stare. His smile quickly vanished, a bad, heavy air. Tom said nothing at all. I also was still. The video was open. A truth, a hard pill. He saw the image then. He knew the exact time. His face turned so pale. A terrible, sad crime. The silence felt heavy. Tension filled all the room. There were no excuses, just sadness and gloom. Tom saw the video on the small, bright screen. His body then trembled. A very sad scene. He couldn't say a word. Words just flew away. My hard look, my pain, spoiled his whole day. I asked no questions. The proof was all there. The truth screamed so loud. No escape in the air. The silence felt heavy. Tom looked at the floor. He couldn't deny it. His big mistake, for sure. The lies were all gone. His fake story broke. He was caught truly, like a very bad joke. Tears then came down, this time from Tom's eyes, from guilt and from shame, under cloudy, gray skies. I felt so disgusted by his big, bad lie. The pain was so real, I wanted to cry. Our future, our plans, all broken that day in one cruel moment. No more games to play. Our life as a couple came to a sad end because of one video. No more to pretend. The silence was heavy. Between us both there, an empty, big space, too much to bear. My wedding ring then, on my finger it shone. Now, a sad symbol of all that was gone. Our house, once so full of laughter and love, became a sad place with pain from above. Tom tried hard to speak, a weak, poor excuse. I stopped him quickly. No more abuse. My eyes looked empty. They showed my deep pain. There was no healing through sorrow and rain. Our dream was all broken in many small parts. Our future once planned, now just broken hearts. I remembered the past, each promise of love, all turned into lies, like a dark, sad dove. Trust had now died. At the show in Boston, a video, one click, my world was auctioned. How could I go on with a heart so broken? Life changed so fast. A new path was open. I knew it would hurt, but I had to be strong to start all over. Where did I belong? I took a deep breath. The pain was still there, but something had changed. A new light, a fresh air. I looked to the future. Without Tom, no more lies. A chance to begin again under new, hopeful skies. It would not be easy. The road would be long. But my inner strength would make me feel strong. I thought of myself, my life, my own dreams. They did not just die. Beyond all bad seems. Chicago was my home, my city, my place. I had good friends to help me embrace. One day at a time, I would go on, building something new, from dusk until dawn. The pain would become a lesson, the wound, a small scar. Remembering my own strength, shining like a star. I stood up slowly, looked out the window wide. The sun was now rising. No more place to hide. Life kept moving forward with its new surprises. I was now stronger, facing new enterprises. The Coldplay concert, an ending, so sad, but also a new start, a new life to be had. What did you learn from Charlotte's story? Which part touched you most? Did you see the viral video? Tell us in the comments. We're learning together. If this story helped you, please like it, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Every week, we post real stories with lessons told in simple English for learners like you. Thank you for reading. Keep reading, keep learning, and remember, your strength is real. You can heal and grow. New beginnings await you.